Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right. Happy first day of the tournament. It's one of my favorite days of the year. Got a full, unspoiled bracket, 64 teams, and off we go. As far as the tape goes, look, we are in a box. We are in a big box, and I'll show you that on the hourly chart in a minute. Yesterday was really whippy. And it's just there. You've got a whole truckload of two-sided uncertainty. So you got, all this banking news and all the news that's been there the whole time. You got a Fed meeting in a week, PPI, CPI, it's all there. And you've got banking here and in Europe that is going to weigh on the tape. At the same time, you're not seeing enough for the bears to really push it over the edge of the cliff that everybody wants to push it off of. So what do you get? You get just big candles that really don't go anywhere in either direction, which is what we're getting. So this 9-day is holding everything in. They had a real good chance to get that secondary band ride going that we talked about yesterday. They couldn't get it done. Here's the hourly chart. So there's a couple of things. Look, are we range bound? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's kind of sloppy, but we're not going anywhere. The reason I drew the rectangle for everybody in the room yesterday was this. If you're antsy and you're starting to get you're getting the shakes and you want the next big move is going to be who wins this particular, box, either to the down or to the up. And, it'll break to the up. If that's the way it's going to go, they'll confirm it and it'll go. It'll break down, they'll confirm it, and then we'll go. But the other reason I did it is I really, 9-day, 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 9-day. 4 days in a row that it's held it in. So until the bulls figure that out, it's pretty simple. The question is, can the bears push back down into these lower areas? Can they push down into these lower areas, or are we gonna slowly get into some type of a triangle? Are we in a big waiting room for the Fed? Maybe. I don't know. And anybody that tells you that they do know is completely full of it. Nobody knows. Nobody knows whether we're going to take a big leg down or a big leg up. So, when they come at you with these gigantic theories about whatever, I just stop it. Just stop it. Stop. Stop. Yes, everybody's looking at you. It's an attention play. It's an ego play. Focus on the 10 handles in front of you. The next 10 handles will take care of itself. Trade price. Respect risk. Don't get ideological. Don't come up with some big system or some big grand plan about how things are going to go, because there's too much news and there's too many cross currents to know that definitively at all. Okay? Take your profits where you find them. Just trade the thing. It's two-sided right now. It's stuck in a box. It's waiting. You've got all kinds of immediate short-term cross currents, and you've got a great big piece of who the hell knows coming up on Wednesday the 22nd. So this is where don't overtrade it. Don't get yourself torn up, because once we get past the 22nd, chances are this box is going to make a decision and we're going to go on a leg, and you need to have your brain and your capital intact to take advantage of it. All right. Volume weighted average price, 39.30 basically. Hourly mid-band, 24.5. Proprietary moving average is at 21. 5-minute mids hanging 17.5. 39.5 handles on the Globex range. So nothing out of control. Just be respectful of what it's actually doing, not what you want it to do. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.